Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Postman environments and auth variables correctly step by step clearly. Open Postman and select the environment you want to verify from the drop-down at the top right. Ensure you are in the Environments section by clicking on the gear icon next to the drop-down. Review the list of environments displayed on your screen. Select the environment you want to check. Take note of the variables listed within that environment. Click on each variable to examine its key and value. Verify that each variable is correctly defined for your API calls. Check for any empty values that may hinder your requests. Next, navigate to the Authorization tab within Postman. Confirm that the selected authorization type matches what your API requires. Examine the values of the authorization variables, ensuring they are correctly entered. If using auth 2.0, check that your access token is valid and not expired. Return to the environment variables to ensure they are referenced correctly in the authorization. If any variables are missing or incorrect, edit them directly in the environment settings. Once all variables are verified, save any changes you have made. Run a sample request to ensure that the environment and authorization settings are properly configured. Observe the response to determine if the request was successful. If you encounter errors, double-check all variable values in authorization settings. Make iterative adjustments as necessary until the request completes successfully. With everything verified, you can now confidently use your Postman setup for testing APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.